Hey there, and welcome to this Diggle tutorial. In today's video, we're going to walk you through one of Diggle's handy features, merging slides. If you've ever wanted to combine the structure of a presenter-paced live session with the flexibility of an audience-paced survey, you're in the right place. Let's dive into how to use the Merge Slides feature and make your sessions even more dynamic. To start merging slides, head over to the Builder page in Diggle. In the timeline on the left-hand side, right-click the slide you want to merge and select Merge with Previous Slide or Merge with Next Slide, depending on which slide you want to merge it with. The slides will now have a blue frame visualizing the connected slides. Do this with all the slides you want to merge. You can also do this live while presenting to have complete control over the flow of your presentation, both when presenting full screen and from backstage. Simply right-click the slides in the timeline and merge them from here. And that's how you merge slides in Diggle. This feature gives you an easy and powerful way to create dynamic and engaging sessions. If you found this video helpful, subscribe for more Diggle tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and happy diggling.